Hello, Josh. This is Dickie Bill Wagner with Media Magic Marketing here in El Paso, and I'm doing a website analysis for your domain, Josh Lucas CPA. Although it says joshlucascpa.com here, Jonathan Lucas CPA is your website title, which is fine. CPA El Paso, the Google search that I did to try and locate you, what I found was underneath the sponsored Google ads comes the Google Map Pack. And in the Google Map Pack, you rank 12. 12 is your ranking here. And I looked at your Google profile and saw that there are things you can do there to create a higher ranking in this itself. On the organic side, after all the listings of accountants in town, there comes the organic searches. Lauterbach, Borschow and Company lead the pack with private domains, and you rank 24 in that. Now we're going to look at this. This is your website, and what I'm seeing is there's no real internal links in your content. It's well done. I mean, these are internal links, but you need some in your content as well. Google really likes those, along with Bing and the other search engines. When we look at your website compared to these guys, markfair.com, excuse me, you can see that they have a lot of content. Here is some bolding, and those will be internal links. So if we press that, it'll take us to another page that has to do with them. And the same for, let's go to the home page here, certified public accountants for Lauterbach and Borschow. Again, I'm sure to read more, there's going to be internal links, but these buttons are the same thing as that. We can go to now the Hrefs overview of your website. As far as your domain rating and your UR, it's actually not bad because you want these within a 5-unit ratio, and there it's less than 1. So it shows that you have 20 backlinks, 15 referring domains. Your keywords are at 12. Your traffic is worth an estimated $2 a month. That's not bad. It could be better. We're looking at the lbcpa.com. Sure which one's that one is. I know we pulled them up. Okay, it's Lauterbach. Okay, and they're 10 and 13. That's a tight ratio there. Backlinks are 380, 86 referring domains are using about 180 keywords, and their value that they're getting for monthly searches is about $163. And then we move on to Mark Fair. I don't know why I want to call him Mayfair. He's running about 458 for value. His ratio is a little loose, so that's where that is for him. Backlinks, it all comes down to backlinks and making more use of those. And so as far as what I can see for you, you have just 20. And the way to do that is to create content. So if you started doing a blog post, and there's a lot of ways to do that to make it happen quickly, you would rank higher. Bring up your keywords. Right now, you're ranking your positions. The highest position you have is 16 for your own name. CPA El Paso, you're ranking about 19. And these all are cumulative, so they all count together. So if you could get your keywords up, actually do some internal links on your website, and maybe a little bit more content on your main page, you would actually rank higher in Google. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. It's been my pleasure doing this analysis for you. Have a great day, sir.